Hey guys, I hope everybody's taking care and being blessed today. Today I'm coming to you guys with a little something different. You guys, I don't know if you know, but when I say I hated Domino's pizza, I hated Domino's pizza. I used to love Pizza Hut, but Pizza Hut, we talking about something different. They ain't even good no more. But one of my friends, backslash clients, told me about this Domino's pizza called the Extravaganza. Y'all, when I say this is, and I'm picky. When I say this freaking pizza is so bomb, and not only is Domino's bomb, it was raining, pouring down rain. I was gonna go to the Domino's on my way home because I just picked my pup up from doggy daycare. Did a mobile service. I went to go do one of my clients' hair, so I just dropped my pup off, picked her up. When I say guys, it was super easy. I ordered online. They told me when somebody was working on it, when they was coming, when they enter my neighborhood, all that good stuff. And I don't know if you guys know, but I love Papa John's, so I'm so used to the garlic. You just got to buy some extra garlic. I didn't even know that. I think she told me that too, my client slash friend. God, look at this. When I say this is so freaking bomb, oh my God, it is so good with the garlic sauce. And I had ordered a brownie. When I said a brownie thing is so good, hold on one second. Okay, here is a brownie. I'm telling you, if you're sleeping on Domino's like I was, try Domino's. Not only do they deliver to you, they tell you when it's coming, it came fast. And if you get these, the only thing Domino's, if you listen to this video, please have ice cream. Because if you have some ice cream, this would be so bomb. When I seen this pizza, it made me sing. I was like, oh, Domino's, I so love you. Because now I don't gotta cook. I was able to just, oh, you should have heard me in here. Right now I'm on camera, so I can't remember what I was singing. But if you have not tried it, try it. Okay, guys? If you have tried it, and if you are on Domino's, let us know below, because like I said, I slept on Domino's. When I say it's good, you don't gotta have all these toppings. But when I say the extravagance, I'm not even all these topping type person. But when you have this, it's so bomb. When I say this pizza is so bomb, y'all, it tastes fresh. It is good. You want some? You see? You want to try?